Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to maintain a healthy diet. Eating a balanced and nutritious diet is one of the most important things you can do for your overall health and well-being. So, let's dive in and learn how to keep your diet healthy and nutritious. Step 1. Understanding the basics of a healthy diet. The first step in maintaining a healthy diet is to understand what that means. A healthy diet is one that includes a variety of different food groups in the right amounts. This means including plenty of fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. It's also important to limit or avoid foods that are high in added sugars, saturated and trans fats, and sodium. Step 2. Planning your meals. Planning your meals in advance can help you stick to a healthy diet. Start by making a grocery list of all the foods and ingredients you'll need for the week. When shopping, try to stick to the perimeter of the store, where you'll find fresh produce, meats, and dairy products. Try to limit your trips down the processed food aisles, where you'll find junk food and other unhealthy options. Step 3. Making smart food choices. When it comes to making healthy food choices, there are a few things you can keep in mind. First, aim to eat a variety of different foods to ensure you're getting all the nutrients your body needs. Second, opt for whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible. This means choosing fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins like chicken and fish. Third, watch your portion sizes. Eating too much of anything, even healthy foods, can lead to weight gain. Step 4. Making healthy swaps. Making healthy swaps can help you stick to a healthy diet even when you're short on time or on the go. For example, instead of a sugary soda, try a flavored sparkling water. Instead of a bag of chips, try a handful of roasted almonds. Instead of a frozen pizza, try a homemade vegetable stir-fry. These small changes can add up to make a big difference in your overall health. Step 5. Avoiding unhealthy foods. It's important to limit or avoid certain foods that can be unhealthy in large amounts. These include foods high in added sugars, saturated and trans fats, and sodium. Some examples of these foods include sugary drinks, junk food, and processed snacks. Try to limit your intake of these foods and opt for healthier options instead. Step 6. Eating out. Eating out can be a challenge when you're trying to maintain a healthy diet. But with a few smart strategies, you can still enjoy a meal out while staying on track. First, do some research before you go. Look up the menu online and plan what you'll order ahead of time. Second, don't be afraid to make special requests. For example, ask for dressing on the side or for your dish to be prepared with less oil. Third, opt for healthier options like salads, grilled chicken or fish, and steamed vegetables. That's it for today's video on how to maintain a healthy diet. By understanding the basics of a healthy diet, planning your meals, making smart food choices, avoiding unhealthy foods, and eating out, you can stay on track and achieve your health and wellness goals. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.